I never go too much.
This people has been here for over 2 weeks. See them, all those trucks that is ordered from here to Omo. They cannot do anything.
They get professors.
They don't have professors. They even have ministers. They have what are you telling me? They're supposed to do something about this road. They're supposed to take action. Even no any driver can pay any fucking tax in Ekiti State.
This is a federal road for that matter. Everywhere has been messed up. For the past 2-3 weeks now, all these trucks, they have been here, they cannot move. Everything is mixed up. It's so bad. Sorry. All these vehicles has been here. All these trucks have been here for the past 2 weeks now. They can't move. Total shutdown. I see. Ayebode, Ayedun, Elasha, Omo Road. I see. It's so bad. The government should do something. We are not appealing. Nobody is begging the government. They should do what is necessary. The government should do what is necessary. Nobody is begging the government. They don't have to beg. Now, 2027, now you will come. Now you want to come and vote. You want to come and cast vote. Come and do this for us. We need voters. We need people to vote for you. But come on, road. You cannot do. Can you see the road? See, state of nation. Can you imagine? Can you see? See road. See road. See road. They've abandoned this place. See this road. This is Ayedun to Ayebode. No vehicle is passing this place again. They've abandoned this road, federal road for that matter. The road that leads to Abuja. Can you imagine?